In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Gumroad profile and design. Let's start by heading to the Gumroad website. Once you're on the platform and viewing your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the dashboard. Go ahead and open it to access your main workspace. From there, shift your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually represented by your avatar or name. Click on that, and then choose the Profile option to open your public-facing page settings. At the top left of this page, you'll find the Edit Profile button. Click it to reveal all the key controls you'll use to personalize your presence. This is where you can edit your username, your display name, and your bio. Keep your username simple, recognizable, and consistent with your brand elsewhere. For your name, use the version your audience expects to see. And for your bio, write a short, clear description that explains what you sell and who it's for. A friendly tone and a confident, specific message go a long way. You'll also see the option to upload a photo that can serve as your logo. Choose a clear, high-quality image that looks good at small sizes. Square images tend to work best, and simple designs with good contrast make your brand easy to recognize at a glance. Next, look for the area where you can connect your social profiles. Linking your socials helps customers learn more about you and follow your work across platforms. It's a great way to build trust and encourage repeat visits. Now let's refine the look and feel. In the design section, you can customize fonts, background colors, and highlight colors. Aim for readability first. Choose a font that's clean and easy to scan, especially on mobile. For your background, pick a color that reflects your brand without overwhelming the content. Then choose a highlight color that complements your background and draws attention to buttons and important links. If you already have brand colors, use those for consistency. If not, keep it simple with one primary color and one accent color so your page feels cohesive. Take a moment to review everything on the screen and make sure your profile reads the way you want it to. Strong messaging, a recognizable logo, clear links, and a clean design will make your Gumroad page feel professional and polished. And that's it, you're done.